Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good day, and why not? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to boost bass for Pulse 3D headset on your PC without any application. You can do this only with some settings in Windows 10. Sounds cool, right? Let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to connect your Pulse 3D headset with wireless USB adapter, or you can connect it with AUX cable to your PC. Either way, you will see a notification for the wireless headset. You can make sure that it's connected from here. For example, I did connect it with USB and I can see it here. Then you need to right click on speaker icon and open sounds. From tabs you need to select playback. Here you will see a list of all sound devices on your PC. You can see this speaker's wireless stereo headset is Pulse 3D. If you are not sure which one is your Pulse 3D headset, you can simply disconnect it and connect it again to see which one will be disappear and appear again. Then all you need to do is to find your Pulse 3D and right click on that and select properties. Then you need to select enhancements and check bass boost. After that you need to select settings and choose which frequency you want to boost. It starts from 50 Hz to 600 Hz. If you don't know what's the difference between the frequencies, you can just play a music and choose different frequencies while listening to the music to understand which one is better for you. However, the lower number means lower bass frequencies and higher is higher bass frequencies. As you know, Pulse 3D is a little bit weak in low bass, so I choose 50 Hz and boost it for 6 decibels. However, this method will automatically add some preamps to your headset, so it will not damage it, but I recommend you to increase it slowly, because if you go to very high value, it can damage your headset. After you did select it, you can apply the settings to see how it affects. You can also try other frequencies or just disable them if you don't like them. But what I recommend you to do instead of using these bass frequencies on your Windows 10 is to download Equalizer API, which is available for free and you can download it for free. I did make another tutorial how to make Pulse 3D sound better on PC, which you can check it out from here, and these settings are from Ratings website, so you can get the best quality and the most balanced audio from your headset. Thank you so much for watching.